we're going to talk about advanced Excel functions, index and match. So we're going to use the same exercise to kind of find index and match. Index and match is just another way to do exactly what we did with VLOOKUP. Yeah, but index and match is more superior. Why do I say that? VLOOKUP is smart, but it only looks to the right. So you know that we are looking for Cadbury's something else. So Cadbury's FCFE, FCFF, ABIT. So we're looking left to right. Index, on the other hand, can look left, right, up, down, anywhere. But let me explain index. If you look at this table, you know, we start off by saying how many columns are in this table. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns, and let's see, 4, 4, 8, 9 rows, starting from the heading. So every single cell in this column or this table has an address. So let's ask, where's Nestle's FCFE address? See, Nestle is in row 1, 2, 3, row 3, and what column is FCFE? 1, 2, 3. So if I come in here, let's just start with index. Index to me is the most powerful function in Excel, especially for someone that does modeling. And anytime you work in Excel, index is very powerful. I mean, just to show how powerful it is, Microsoft had to create 2 versions of it. If you look at, if I typed in equals to index and open my bracket, I'll see there are 2 versions. One has array, row, and column. Another one has reference, row, column, and then something called area. Now we're going to use the first variation of index. I won't talk about the second one. You could ask this question maybe in the next webinar. We'll talk about that. So index with a tab, I basically open the first variation. So first variation asks array, row number, column number. Array basically means the entire table we're working with, or the entire table we need to look up. That's array. So that's the table. We called it D table. Now, again, as I said, every single cell in a table has an address. It has a row number and a column number. What is the address for Nestle FCFE? If you come to this table, we look for Nestle. This is row 1, row 2, row 3. Nestle is in row 3. FCFE is in column 1, 2, 3. So it's 3, 3. So if I come here and type 3 and I come here and type 3, that means I need to go to row 3 and column 3. And you'll see with an equals to that it finds exactly what we're looking for. But guess what? We've broken one big rule. I know I told you that there's a sin. The sin of the sin of hard coding. So if I go to my FX, you would see that we did 2. We committed the sin twice. 3, 3. No, we shouldn't manually type that, because I mean, what happens when I come here and change this to MTN? Yeah. When I enter, guess what? My VLOOKUP finds the correct thing, 672.14. That's MTN's FCFE. MTN's FCFE is this, isn't it? Yeah. But my index is still getting the old wrong answer, because I mean, I didn't, why is it doing that? Because this is manual. 3, 3. How do you automate it? The same way we automated it in VLOOKUP. We use the match function. So what did I do? I typed match and open and close my bracket, which is one technique of doing it, and I click inside the match box, inside the match in my formula bar. Now this, okay, we're back. What am I trying to match? So I go to my index. We're trying to match the row, something in the row. So obviously things in the rows are my companies. I'm trying to match this. So I'm matching this guy, whatever is in this cell, in this whole list here. I'm starting from the top because that's where my table was highlighted from the top. Okay, I'll lock this. Now, what's my match type? Always 0 most of the time, and you can see 5. You're saying that MTN is row 5. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cool. I go back to my index. Now this second 3 is basically trying to match FCFE as the third column. Again, we need to use another match. So I go back into a formula bar. So lookup value this time is this. We're looking for this not here anymore. We're looking for it here. Could lock that. And the match type is 0. So I go back to my index, and you'll see that now my index has 2 matches in there, and it's automated, and it's getting the same thing as this. Okay. So if I come in here and I type Dangote, for example, you see that both of them work. I come here and I type EBITDA. and it works fine. Index and match is far more superior than VLOOKUP in my opinion. It's been nice for you to learn index and match. Thanks for watching another training video from dbrownconsulting. See you in the next video.